Students, have a wonderful morning to all. I am Savita Srivastav, your maths teacher. I hope you all are fit and healthy and doing great. Today we are starting our class with beautiful thought, and today's thought is time and tide wait for none. It means if you want to do something, don't leave it for tomorrow, do it today itself. So today we are starting chapter number 12, exercise 12.2. We will do question 1 and 2 today. So watch video properly till to end and then do work accordingly. So we are doing question 1 of exercise 12.2. Here we have to convert time. In first question we have to convert 24-hour clock time in 12-hour clock time, and in second question we have to convert 12-hour clock time in 24-hour clock. So here a clock is given. As you can see, this is the time given in 12-hour clock, or this is the time given in 24-hour clock. How? After midday, from 1 o'clock, we will start writing as 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So this is the time in 12-hour clock and this is the time in 24-hour clock. So first question is, here we have to convert the following to 12-hour clock time. Time given in 24-hour clock, and this is to convert into 12-hour. As you can see, 1514. It means first two digits representing hours and last two digits are representing minutes. Because these are more than 15 is more than 12. It means for writing in 12-hour clock, we have to subtract 12 from the 15. So we are subtracting 12 from the 15 because these are more than 12. So we'll get 3. So time is 3:14, or this time because time is more than 12, or we can say after midday. So we will start writing PM. So when you convert 15 to 4 hours, or we can say 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock, we will get 3:14 PM. Here, next part of the question, I am repeating this question one more time. Time given in 24-hour clock. This is to convert into 12-hour clock. These are hours, these are minutes. Because hours are more than 12. It means for writing 12-hour clock, we will subtract 12 from the 15, from the hours. When you subtract 12 from the 15, we will get 3. And minutes remain same. So time is 3:14 PM. As I told you, this is the time after midday. After midday, we will start counting as 13, 14, 15. So this is the time after midday. It means after midday, we will start writing PM. So we will get 3:14 PM. Next part of the question is 0350 hours. 0350 hours. As I told you, first two digits are representing hours and last two digits are representing minutes. Because hours are less than 12, it means this is the time before midday. Because this is less than 12, so we will not subtract. Only what we will do, we will write 3 and then colons and then 50. This time we will write time in AM because this is the time before midday. So before midday we will write AM. Midday से पहले हम always will write AM. Now next part of the question. Here next part of the question is 0820 hours. First two digits hours, last two digits minutes. Because hours are less than 12, nothing to do, only we will write or separate hours and minutes by using colons, and because time is less than 12, so we will write AM because this is the time before midday. Next part of the question, these are hours and these are minutes. Hours are more than 12, or we can say after, this is the time after midday. It means we will subtract 12 from the 20. When you subtract 12 from the 20, you will get 8 and minutes remain same. And this is the time after midday, so we will write PM. As I told you, after midday from 1 o'clock we will start writing PM till to 11:59 that we have to write PM. So next part of the question, I am repeating this question one more time. 12:10 hours. 20:15 hours. It means 20 hours and 15 minutes. These are hours and these are minutes because hours are more than 12, or this is the time after midday. It means for writing in 12-hour clock, we have to subtract 12 from the hours. When you subtract 12 from the 20, you will get 8. Minutes remain same. And for separating hours and minutes, we have to use colons. So time is 8:15 PM because this is the time after midday. Midday के बाद हम PM लिखते हैं. So we will represent time in PM. Next part of the question is, now next question is, convert the 12-hour clock time to the 24-hour clock. Earlier in the previous question, we are converting 24-hour clock into 12. Here we have to convert 12 into 24. For converting 12 into 24, how to write? We have to remove colons. We have to remove AM. If hours given in single digit, we have to add 0. So 0535 hours. Now, if time given in AM, nothing to do, we have to remove colons, we have to remove AM. If time given in single digit or hours given in single digit, we have to add 0. So, time is 0535 hours. This is in 24-hour clock time. Next part of the question is 10:20 PM. Time given in PM. It means whenever time given in PM, this is the time after midday. It means we have to add 12 in 10. 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. So time is 22 hours and 20 minutes. It means how to represent in 24 hours? 22:20 hours. It means 22 hours and 20 minutes. Now next part of the question is, here we have to complete or we have to convert 6:40 PM into 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. As time given in PM, obviously whenever time given in PM, because this is the time after midday. For writing 24-hour clock, we have to add 6 with 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18:40 hours, because after midday we will start counting as 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It means this is the time of evening. So after midday we will start writing as 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So for writing in 24-hour clock, we have to add 12 with 6. So time is 18:40 hours. Next part of the question is 10:55 AM. If time given in AM, nothing to do, only you have to remove these columns, you have to remove AM. only you have to write 1055 hours because this is the time before midday. अब midday से पहले हमको कुछ नहीं करना होता है. We have to remove AM, we have to remove columns. So in this way we can convert 12 hour into 24 hour and 24 hour into 12 hour and 12 hour into 24 hour. So I am repeating all these one more time before from the first question. So as I told you, this is the time given in 12 hour clock. This is the time given in 24 hour clock. In 12 hour clock, after midday, we will start writing as 13, 14, 1 o'clock is 13 hours, 2 o'clock is 14 hours. So we will start reading as 13, 14, 15. So here we have to convert 24 hour clock into 12 hour clock. As I told you, these are hours. First two digits are hour, last two digits are minute. If time is more than 12, for writing in 12 hour clock, we have to subtract 12 from the hours. When you subtract 12 from the 15, you will get 3. 3:14. Minutes remain same. Because here minutes are not there. So we will get 3:14. And we will represent time in PM because this is the time after midday. Because 13 midday के बाद ही हम 13, 14, 15 रीड करते हैं. So we will represent time in PM. Now second part of the question, 0350 hours. Hours are less than 12. So we will not subtract. Only we will separate hours and minutes by colon and we will represent time in AM because these hours are less than 12. This is the time before midday. Next part of the question, here we are converting 12 hour clock time into 24 hour clock time. Because these are hours and these are minutes. Hours are less than 12. It means nothing to do. Only we will remove colons, we will remove AM. If hours given in single digit, we will write 0 and we will represent time in hours. So in this way, we can convert 12 hour clock into 24 hour clock and 24 clock hour in 12 hour clock. So I will send you worksheet. Do all work in Maths Fair notebook. Okay.